Let's open this Paint Dream Journal Kit. Inside the box, you'll get 60 pieces memo paper, 20 sheets per design, A6 grid journal with cover, ten pieces decorative stickers, ten pieces silver butterfly stickers, 10 pieces lace stickers, 5 pieces PET stickers, 2 pieces lace paper, 5 pieces paper card, 5 pieces frame card, 25 pieces stamp stickers, 1 roll washi tape, 1 roll PET tape, 6 pieces sticker sheets, and 15 pieces material papers. For a total of 162 pieces per set. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for purple aesthetic lovers. Calming, dreamy, elegant vibe. Very dainty. My favorite is definitely the silver foiling. It catches the lights and instantly makes your page look more luxurious and elevated. I'll rate it 10 out of 10.